Hi everybody, welcome to Gutterworks.com. We are located in Barnes City, Iowa. Today I wanted to show you our Downspout Flip-Up Latch. This latch comes in several different sizes. On the website it shows you how to measure so that you can determine what size you need. So there's 2x3 A and B, 3x4 A and B. This latch is designed to go on the side of your downspout, coming down the side of your house. A screw on each side allows that to pivot. Then when you flip up your extension, it'll catch the extension and hold that up while you mow or weed eat. We also sell the nut driver, so if you don't have that, we can set you up with that. We also sell and manufacture this downspout hinge, which is steel powder coated. All of these items come in 13 different colors. So if you don't have white, that's okay. I can still help you. The hinge video is with the hinge link, so that will help give you install details and instructions on that, making life a little bit easier for you. So the metal latch retails for $2.68 right now. So really an inexpensive and easy little upgrade, making life easy for you. We hope you enjoy our product, and thanks for shopping at Gutterworks.com.